This isn't just another review of great new gadgets. Today's list is the best of the best, the most unique and handy stuff from our previous videos. How many times did you wish you were invisible? This shield can do that in some way. Long story short, it uses a precision-engineered lens array that smears the background light onto the front side. As a result, when you put this thing in front of you, you become invisible. Just what you need when taking pics or playing hide and seek. There are several sizes, and the biggest one can hide several people. Not bad. Watch out! This key won't open the door, but it'll help you with all kinds of fixes on the go. So whether you need to cut something, tighten the bolt, or smooth the surface, you can do that with this tool. It might be handy when measuring angles too. On the whole, the key combines 15 tools within a tiny, compact body. That's why I recommend you throw this thing into your wallet or keep it on any metal surface nearby. It's an accessory that provides plenty of ways to boost your productivity. With its ultra-slim design, it mounts right to the back of your laptop or PC monitor. Okay, attach your phone to the magnet and you'll get a second screen for your video calls, notes, and any other tasks. Now watch the magic happen. The accessory is strong enough to hold a tablet. And don't worry about the battery life. The mount is compatible with Qi wireless charging as well as iPhone MagSafe technology. Know what? This thing is also provided with detachable light for streaming and video conferences. Feel free to use 2 mounts at a time and arrange them however you like. Meet the Brompton A Line folding bike. This awesome bike has a unique 3-part fold and is handmade with a compact, sturdy design that's perfect for commuting or adventures on the go. And when you're done riding, simply fold it and store it in your trunk or take it along when you travel. Plus, with puncture-resistant tires that have reflective sidewalls, you'll stay visible and keep moving in low-light conditions. Oh my, what's that smell? This Aroma diffuser may be a great alternative to ordinary air fresheners to eliminate those awful odors. First, it spreads your favorite scent, but with that built-in lighting, it may also double as a nightlight. Pick the color you like. Pour in some water, add several drops of oil, and plug the device into any power source. Here comes the third feature. It's a humidifier too. This way, it'll work for up to 9 hours, and when it runs out of water, it'll turn off automatically. We've shown you so many projectors already. The thing is, not all of them adjust the color of the image to the projected surface. That means you need a projector screen. This one by Wemax might be a reasonable choice. It's big enough to watch a movie in the evening sitting by the campfire, and it installs in just 3 simple steps. Do you want to play your favorite arcade instead? We don't see a single obstacle to that. The white fabric will accurately display all the colors. Have you finished? Fold it and carry it anywhere you want. When traveling, you need a lot of adapters and cables to charge all your devices. With this magnetic power bank, you can enjoy watching videos or scrolling social networks while the wireless fast charger's juicing up your phone. Are there more gadgets to be charged? Plug this thing into a regular socket and feel free to use 3 ports and charge the power bank itself. Still consider it to be too bulky? This Pandora one is slimmer. It also has 3 ports, but there's also an LED display to see how much power's left. And don't forget to take 2 plug adapters with you. What are the best gadgets to take on your outdoor adventures? Yep, these are the gadgets that don't require batteries to stay charged. Take a look at this portable light that'll help you find your way in the dark. So yeah, just like any other outdoor light, this one is rugged and waterproof. It features several light modes and light effects, and it'll be your helping hand during, let's say, power outages and emergencies. But most importantly, it doesn't require any batteries and can be charged with direct sunlight. Furthermore, this light will top up all your mobile devices you've taken with you. Here's another light called DarkMaster. First, it boasts its rectangular light beam, which makes it pretty easy to focus on a particular object in the dark. But if you still need a diffused light, use the reflectors to make the beam more blended, or change the light direction with the mirror. Camping deep in the forest for several days? You aren't supposed to spend those nights under the starry lit sky shivering with cold, right? What if you could take your fluffy warm bed with you? When we say bed, we mean that. Since the evergreen Mammoth sleeping bag is 94 inches long and 62 inches wide. So first, it's unbelievably comfortable. Second, a durable taffeta shell keeps you away from wet ground and at a comfy temperature, even if it's 0 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Feel yourself hugged in soft mama's hands. Moreover, the bag is really difficult to smudge, and probably the best part is that you can unzip this thing into 2 camp blankets. At some point in their lives, every self-sufficient man faced that difficult decision. Should they buy an RC plane, RC helicopter, or a drone? Swan Voyager is a perfect combo of 3 devices in one body. Turn on the multi-rotor mode when you need to land or take off. The drone will do both actions vertically. When you switch to the fixed wing mode, it'll fly horizontally just like a plane. The battery capacity is big enough to run up to 60 minutes on one full charge and covers up to 25 miles on a 55-mile-per-hour max speed. As for the drone part, the Swan Voyager is equipped with a 12-megapixel cam that records in 4K Ultra HD at 30 FPS. The drone can also transmit full HD videos within a 5-mile range and uses 3-axis stabilization. When going somewhere, music is the best pal, but it often happens that you don't have any free space for the speaker. Why don't you take this EcoJourney case? Yep, it's loud enough for your outdoor adventures, and if you pair 2 of them, you get an outdoor stereo system. And what's even better, the device is 100% water, shock, and dust-proof. There's more, the speaker also doubles as a case where you can store all your valuables. The built-in battery will last for more than 50 hours on one charge, and will let you keep your phone alive for a long time. Here's another option from the same manufacturer. It has the same features, but it's a bit more compact, so you can clip it either to your bike or even boat. And when needed, you can turn it into a walkie-talkie. Shopping time! Aren't you that happy? Because you can already imagine yourself dragging those heavy bags to your car? Meet the Shoppacart you can simply put into your trunk and take it right home. Pure magic as it is. When you arrive at the supermarket, just unfold the legs, remind us of something, and you're ready to conquer the nearest department. As usual, place the most important things on the bottom in order not to lose them. Want to sip your coffee while picking fruits and veggies? Install the cup holder. Need to have the whole list in front of your eyes? What do you think the phone holder's for? When you're done, just fold those legs and drive home. So good. Since you ain't a mud man who needs to hide and ain't a piggy that needs to protect its pinky skin, you somehow have to deal with all that dirt around you. This high-pressure washer will blow all kinds of contamination in seconds. Grab your weapons, ladies and gents, pull the 20-feet water hose into the water, fill the tank with cleanser, if needed, and push the button. The 6-in-1 multifunction nozzle meets all daily needs. You can shoot either a direct jet of water to wash the tires or gently spray it onto your flowers in the nearest pot. Choose the most suitable mode between 4 different spraying degrees and 2 additional modes, shower and foam jetting. Finally, this device is cordless, which means you don't depend on a socket. Wear the power of Batman on your fingers with this sleek and sturdy bat ring. Crafted from solid steel, it's built to last, weighing just 8 ounces. You'll feel the weight of justice on your hand. Measuring at 5 inches in width and 3 inches in length, it's the perfect size for any superhero. Measuring spaces with ordinary tape measure is usually a pain. First, you often need someone to assist you. Second, you have to calculate the data when you need to know, let's say, the volume. Mini Parsec is a total game changer. All you need to do is push the button. Voila! All the needed data is on the display now. Need to measure the area? Okay. Volume, maybe? No problem. Or there's a Pythagorean measurement on the list? This laser measure can do that. Here's another option worth mentioning. It features a triple-positioned leveling bubble for perfect, let's say, picture hanging. The 8-foot tape measure is equipped with both standard and metric measurements, and there's a ruler on the base of the unit. The included laser level line further assists in accurately completing your project. Has anyone accidentally sat down on a snitch or something? Nope. These are your expensive and luxurious earbuds that boast a rich hi-fi sound. Introducing the Teton Bespoke by Ear Micro, the world's smallest wireless earbuds. With superior audio tech from Klipsch and a luxurious construction, these cuties are a must-have for the discerning audiophile who wants both style and substance. Rise and shine, Sleeping Beauty. Time to wake up and join the world of the living. Allow me to introduce you to Nature X, the smart desk controller that doubles as your personal assistant. Don't let its small size fool you. This little gem is the latest and greatest model for CES 2023. Don't look there, that's just a model. With a few buttons, a knob, and a touchscreen, you'll be able to control every aspect of your life with ease. Not only will it wake you up and control the lights, but it'll also open your garage door, remind you to buy groceries, give you the weather forecast, and even start your car. With the touch of a button, you can activate one of its smart scenarios like leaving, home, and sleep. And if that's not enough, you can even control all your other smart devices with a single click, even if it's Tesla. If you need that particular sound, you might appreciate one of these sliders. Pick the material you like the most and let 6 magnets between the plates do their job. Slide them, turn them, do whatever you want. And that turtle pattern will add several points to the look and some additional pleasure to the touch. Speaking of that, there are dozens of other fidget toys with various designs and surfaces, spiky, ribbed, and so on. In short, there are plenty to choose from. And here's another premium toy with a satisfying slider mechanism. Here's one more feature. There's a button on top. Press it hard until you get rid of stress and anxiety. The titanium body is beautifully machined and polished, featuring some nice minimalist patterns. Yet we find this fidget toy with the skull to be the coolest one. Don't have an idea how to play with it? Move the icon.